Rich people never take loan without checking this one important document. So when you apply for a loan, many a times you receive a detailed document mentioning the terms and conditions. This is very difficult to go through. So many a times people just read through the interest rate, but additional charges like upfront cost or maintenance cost can change the overall cost of borrowing. For example, a loan of 10 lakh at 9.5% interest may also include an upfront cost of 20,000. This makes the effective annual cost of the loan closer to 11%. To ensure complete clarity, RBI has introduced Key Fact Statement. This simple document includes the interest rate along with all other applicable charges like processing fee, documentation charges, bureau charges and many more. So this way you will know the true annualized cost of your loan and can make much better financial decision. Keep following Fincredibles powered by South Indian Bank for more such important advice. The middle class always sells their mutual fund whenever an emergency comes up. But the rich, they never do that. In fact, they take a loan against their mutual fund. And here's why it's a smarter option. First, you don't sell anything. In fact, you just borrow money against your funds at 9.3% interest, which is way lesser than a personal loan. Second, since you didn't sell, your funds stay invested and it keeps growing and you don't even have to pay capital gain tax. And third, once you repay, your mutual fund is back in your name as if nothing ever happened. And you pay interest on the realized loan and not on the disbursed loan. The whole thing is 100% digital and is done in under 15 minutes in South Indian Bank. And here's the best part. You also can take a loan against your mutual fund. If you want to know the complete process, just comment loan and I'll share with you the link and the process in detail. Rich people are paying off their 25 years of home loan in just 10 years and the middle class doesn't even know about it. Let me show you how. Let's say you took a home loan of rupees 50 lakh at 8.5% interest for 25 years. That means your EMI is 40,000 per month. In the first year itself, you'll end up paying 4.8 lakh, out of which 4.2 lakh goes for the interest itself. That means only rupees 60,000 reduces from the original principal amount. Now let me show you how you can pay it off completely in 10 years. Strategy 1. Pay one extra EMI every year. That is, you pay 40,000 one EMI extra at the end of the year towards the principal amount. This will directly reduce your EMI tenure from 25 years to 20 years. Strategy 2. Increase your EMI by 7.5% annually. That means you'll pay 40,000 in the first year, 43,000 in the second year, 46,000 in the next year, and so on. This itself will reduce your loan tenure to approximately 12 years. Strategy 3, which is the best one, that is, you do both. Pay one extra EMI annually and also hike your EMI by 7.5%. In this way, you will be able to pay off your home loan in just 10 years. Now go share this video with anybody who is having a home loan and follow the Fincredibles.